100
Count the story of a baby that all of you should know. His father was Joseph and his mother Mary. This babe was very special. He was God's only son. Wow! Look who is here! Look who is here! The angel who came from the heaven to share the good news to the world. The angel told the shepherds, "Glad tidings we bring." The shepherds came to see the baby Jesus. Just look at the star, the bright star in the dark sky, and the three wise men followed the star who came from the land far away. The star guided the wise men to the manger who brought presents for the baby. Oh, look! This is Bethlehem. There we see baby Jesus born in a stable. He was nestled in a manger bed. On the straw he laid his tiny head. The baby was gathered around by his parents, the angels, the shepherds, the wise men, and lots of presents. All who gathered around him rejoiced and praised his name. For the babe, the king named Jesus, is our Savior here on earth. He came to teach us how to live. So as we enjoy this Christmas, let's keep in mind the sacred truth. For Jesus is the reason for the season. Merry Christmas to everyone. Jesus is born.